Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here, and today we are back in Airy, North Carolina for their annual event called the Autumn Leaves Festival. If you guys remember, this was our first video on the channel and it is our channelversary, so this is a very special video to us. We are super excited to show you guys around all the sights, food, and much more. So if you'd like to join us, let's go. The Autumn Leaves Festival was established in 1966. Every year in October, Mayberry is the place to be for the Autumn Leaves Festival, a historic event in the heart of Airy, North Carolina. This nationally recognized event is unique with a mix of music, arts, crafts, and delicious foods. So if you guys visit this event, you are going to notice a lot of traffic and parking that is not normally here, so we do recommend parking a little farther away from the actual event itself to avoid having to pay for parking and spending more of your money actually at the event. So for example, this parking over here is $5, which is not bad, and I think they're raising money, but if you want to save that $5 for something else, you can park like we are in just some general admission parking. Alrighty guys, so we have made it to the festival. We're walking up to the main street now as we speak, but Seth reminded me a good point is to bring cash to this event because a lot of the vendors are cash only, so be sure to stop by the ATM before you get here. Alright guys, you voted for us this morning and you voted for us to try the ham biscuit first, so that is where we are at now, the ham biscuit stand. That's going to be our first stop. And we have the Boy Scouts classic slogan, give a hog a home. These are delicious. I'm super excited to try one. So their ham biscuits are $4. They also have just plain biscuits as well as soft drinks. This is usually the stand we come to for soft drinks because I believe it's the cheapest here at the festival. Alright guys, here is our ham biscuit. This is a classic we get every year. I've had a lot of ham biscuits in my life, and this one has probably taken the cake for being the best, so we look forward to this every year. We're going to dig into this. We'll let you guys know what we think in a bit. So next stop is going to be at the collard green sandwich stand, and they also have more than just the sandwiches. They have the pinto beans, corn on the cob, buttermilk, soda, and water. But these sandwiches are delicious. So here is the collard green sandwich. This is a classic. It comes with a piece of fat back on there as well. This is delicious. Can't wait to dig in. We'll let you guys know what we think in a few minutes. So as you guys can see, the Autumn Leaves Festival just isn't food. They also have plenty of locally made merchandise from all around North Carolina and the country. And this stand has some really cute stuff. There is a Grinchmas sign there. And we also have a I Smell the Children. That is adorable. And guys, they also have specific merchandise for the Autumn Leaves Festival, and they have this one. I love this. I love this long sleeve tee. It looks very classic, but they also have some other stuff, short sleeve sweatshirts, magnets, and stickers. So if you're wanting something to commemorate your visit, you can get it here. So next stop is Wild Bill's Old Fashioned Soda. Seth's getting it right now. It is $18 for the smaller mug or $24 for the other one. I'm not exactly sure. What did he say, Seth? There was two. Oh, double wall, so it's more insulated. But we got the $18 one, and Seth's hand is marked, as you guys can see right there. And that means we get refills all day. He also said we could bring back last year's mug, pay for a one-time refill for the day, and get the discount for that as well. So once you get this, be sure to bring it back every year. Alright guys, so I wanted to pause right fast and review what we've had so far. First is going to be the ham biscuit. That one is classic. If you don't know what a ham biscuit is, it is not like Christmas ham, and if you call a biscuit something else, it may not be what you expect. It's like a breakfast biscuit, and it is salty cured country ham. That's probably the best ham biscuit that I have every year. Local restaurants and chain restaurants sell them, but that one is always good. It's a thick slice of ham, and it's always delicious. Crispy, whole 9 yards. Do you like those pretty good?
Oh man, those are good.
You ate your whole thing.
Yeah,
I try to leave room for some other stuff.
If you're trying to watch your sodium, it's not the thing for you, but
once a year it is
good.
delicious. The next thing we got was the collard green sandwich. We've tried to make this at home, and it never turns out as good.
Yeah.
I actually never even ate collard greens, or I should say never liked collard greens until I had this sandwich.
Yeah.
The cornbread and the collard greens are both really sweet, and then the fat back and the greens with the vinegar adds like a salty kick. It is delicious.
Yeah, it's a wonderful combo.
It's the only time we can get it here with like the perfect right combination, but you've always liked greens.
Oh yeah, it's great, and they have some vinegar and some other toppings you can throw in there.
You can get pinto beans.
Yeah.
Like buttermilk. Ugh.
Yeah, but
you can get the whole combination if you need to. And the last thing we got, which we're still working on, is the Old Time Soda. We couldn't really remember, but we have one of these from last year, and you can bring these every year. But this one is custom engraved for the 2022 Autumn Leaves Festival, and I don't remember it being as large. So we'll probably try to get one most every year just because it's collectible. They're really cute. But the soda is pretty good, but really what you're paying for is the collectible mug. I mean, if we're being quite honest, but the soda's really nice. We got the orange cream, and it tastes just like orange cream.
It do.
I mean, it do. But it's delicious, and we're gonna keep sipping on this. Probably get a refill here in a moment, but we're gonna keep walking around the festival and take you guys with us. And in years past, I'm pretty sure the band was down this road, but they are actually back up to our left or our right, depending on which way you're going. But there's just more craft vendors down here now. So the line for the Amish donuts is all the way back here. This stand is always popular no matter what time of day. So here's a close-up of the donuts. You can see why they are so popular. They are humongous. And here is the pricing for the donuts, $5, and they even make them right in front of you so you know they're fresh. And down here at the end of Main Street, or beginning, depending on where you're coming from, we have the live band, and they do have a little dance floor. So next up, we are going to get some homemade ice cream. I think I'm going to go with chocolate.
So here at this tent, we always seem to find a group of individuals that just kind of get together and make some music here. But I've never seen this little guy here. So another popular stop here seems to be the Flat Rock Rueting Club's ground steak sandwich. They are $6 each. Alright, so here's our ground steak sandwich. It was $6, so not a bad deal here, and it comes with slaw and mayonnaise. They can make it how you like, but those are the two toppings that they'll put on there, and they did have some mustard and other things to get, but that's pretty much what the inside looks like there with the slaw and mayonnaise. So we're going to dig in. So we did pick up one of the new shirts this year. We really liked the design of it, and for the long sleeve t-shirt it was $30.
And it supports the local, like, Surrey, I'm not sure what it's called.
I think it was the chamber, yeah. But yeah, really cool.
And guys, during your visit, don't forget that Main Street has a lot of great photo opportunities. They even recently, within the past couple years, built this wall. It has several little characters on it. And as well, they have some little side streets with some photo ops too. We'll insert some of those clips now, but be sure to take a look around aside from the festival. Alright guys, so I wanted to wrap up our time here at the annual Autumn Leaves Festival. Had one more food item to review. What was it?
The ground steak sandwich.
All the way with slaw and mayonnaise.
Yeah, it was good. I think when I've got at restaurants around here, I normally get like tomato and mustard on it.
It's a little more toppings.
A little more, but it's good. Just the ground steak itself, it'd probably be fine even plain with nothing else on it.
That's pretty easy to make, but it's always good to get here because it's one of the cheaper options for sandwiches and things like that. Hard to mess up, so it's always typically pretty good. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've never been here before, we hope you get to come soon. This is one of the largest festivals in North Carolina, and it's always a blast. They have tons of the crafts that we showed you guys, a ton of food, which is mainly what we come for. But we hope you guys definitely get to visit soon. Be sure to comment on this video, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye.